Hello everyone. Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about constraints with enum with the help of this coding example. Let us understand this example first. We have a class called as address gen. Here I have a random address which is of 8 bits. I have an enum which is address range, and here I have three different ranges: low, mid and high. I am creating a random variable of this enum type address range. The name of the variable is addr address variable. Now I am constraining this variable. I am constraining the address. How am I constraining the address? I am saying that if address where is of what type? It is of enum type. Enum is address range. What different ranges it has? It has low, mid and high. If it is a low range, then the address will be between 0 to 15. If it is a mid range, address will be between 16 to 127. And if it is a high range, address will be between 128 to 255. Now I have a module address test in which I am creating a object of class address gen. Here if you see, I am creating an object of class address gen and I am calling the constructor. If you have gone through the previous video lectures, there we had discussed about the method called as randomize. What does randomize do? It will randomize the object. What is the object here? Address dot object. After randomizing, if the randomization is successful, since it is assertion, if the randomization is successful, assertion will pass. But if randomization is not successful, if due to any reason the constraint solver is not able to resolve the constraint, or the randomization is not successful due to any reason, then this assert will fail. So here I am putting this randomization inside assert, so that if the randomization fail, the assertions will fail, the assertion itself will fail, and I will come to know that the randomization has not happened. So here if you see inside assert, I am trying to randomize my address object with what constraint? I am trying to randomize with address where equal to low range. What was inside low range? 0 to 15. Address value should be 0 to 15 in between this. After randomizing, I'm trying to display this value. Now let us save this first, then run it, and we will see if the address generated is really in the low range. Now, if you see, the address generated is 13. Between 0 to 15, it is correct. Now, let us try to just test this inside mid range. I have already tried inside low range. Now, let me try inside the mid range. And now after doing in the mid range, I will display the value, and let us also try to run this. Mid range means it should be generated between 16 to 127. It is 90. Yes, it is in mid range only. Now if you also want to test high range, you can. Here if you see, I have made high, and here also while displaying I'll make it high. Now let us save this and run. High range means it should be, the value should be between 128 to 255. Now let us display and see if the value is, yes, it is high, 253, which is in the high range. With this example, you have understood how we can use constraint with enum. What is the advantage here? I can create different ranges for address: low, mid and high, and as per my requirement, whatever my test case requires, as per that I can generate the required range. This is just one example how you can use enum. There are a lot of examples in real life, but I hope with this you understood how useful it is to use enum with constraints. To stay tuned to such video content, please subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Thank you.